My name is Jayesh Bhaviskar. I am from Guru Gobind Singh Polytechnic third year electrical. Today we will see that what's inside an exhaust fans motor. My group members are Aditya, Pratham and Gaurav. So let's start first with dismantling the motor. So these are the parts of the motor. This is stator. Inside the stator, the winding is present. That winding is called as a stator winding. The wiring is connected to the stator for supply, and the wiring may be star or maybe in delta. This one is the magnetic rotor. This one is the magnetic rotor. This is the shaft of the rotor. These are the slip rings of the motor. These are the end bells of the motor. These are used to close the motor, and there are bearings present inside the end bell. This is the casing of the motor. This is used to protect the motor. The holes inside and backside of the casing is generally made for cooling purpose of the motor. Thank you for viewing.